Multi-pronged attack of COVID-19 on the human body. World Health Organization acronym for coronavirus was COVID-19 because of its dominant presence in year 2019. Its ravages in the world brought more attention to it. Gleaned from the internet, these viruses are tiny parasites made of genetic material wrapped in proteins. An outer membrane layer allows the living cells to reproduce copies of themselves. We are surrounded by viruses, our robust immune system stops their invasion into our bodies mostly. The antibodies of previous attacks of viruses gives protection now and extends to those vaccinated. Earlier stages of infection occur when a virus gets past the physical barriers of skin and mucus and enters the suitable cell. Once inside a cell, it makes numerous copies of the virus that start the sickness. The copies are equally virulent as the source virus. Normal functioning is disrupted. Rhinoviruses infect upper airways behind our nose. Our body response is production of snot and sneezes, a common cold. The coronavirus infects lower airways, including our lungs, leading to pneumonia. The scientists call coronavirus as an enveloped one. Has a protective outer layer known as lipid bilayer. The molecules make this layer look like a tadpole, with a hydrophilic round head and hydrophobic tail. These molecules are drawn together for protection of hydrophobic tails from the water in the respiratory droplets when you cough or sneeze. The hydrophilic heads are reported to be very sticky, meaning the virus is extremely effective to sticking to your hands, perfect for a microbe that's trying very hard to infect. Soap molecules have this tadpole structure, which is what makes it so useful. These molecules are drawn together for protection of hydrophobic tails from the water in the respiratory droplets when you cough or sneeze. The hydrophilic heads are reported to be very sticky, meaning the virus is extremely effective to sticking to your hands, perfect for a microbe that's trying very hard to infect. The Surfrider Foundation reported that research shows the virus can remain alive and infectious in fresh water. The possibility exists, one could get infected by swimming in a river or lake. The ravages of the pandemic coronavirus spread in every continent. It is universal. Its infectious mode of spreading is still a guesswork for these scientists at large. For it is reported to be active in damaging other parts of the body too. It is not just a fever and coughing, leading to shortness of breath, like everybody thought initially. It can cause a runny nose, loss of taste and smell, muscle aches, fatigue, diarrhea, loss of appetite, nausea and vomiting, whole body rashes and areas of swelling and redness in just a few spots. Other reported problems are heart rhythm problems, heart failure, kidney damage, confusion, headaches, seizures, Guillain-Barré syndrome and fainting spells, along with sugar control. It appears that this pandemic coronavirus has an arsenal capable of inflicting multiple attacks within the human body, and it has the immense capacity to choose whatever is easy to do at its convenience. Immense effort is afoot in many a viral research laboratory to derail the virulence of this menace. We await eagerly for the good day to come.